Hey guys, Joshua here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Dbrand grip and teardown skin. Okay, so Dbrand have packaged it very nicely inside bubble wrapping, so I'm just going to take this out. On the box, it says grip in a darker black, so just opening it up, and straight away you see the grip inside the box. So first impressions of the grip, I've never actually used the grip before, so it feels very smooth, very nice. The texture is actually very grippy. So you see these little like indentations on the side here. These are raised slightly and they're more sticky than the rest of the case. Sticky in the sense that I can definitely feel friction across it. And on the back, it's very smooth, but the lip is slightly raised and the lip is definitely of the grippy texture. So probably when you put it on a table or a slanted surface, the case won't move much. And the inside you get the Dbrand logo. I'm not sure if you can see it. Okay, angling it towards the light, you should be able to see the Dbrand logo. And on the inside, there is a soft texture on it, so this should help protect your phone pretty well, on the inside at least. What else is inside the box? There's only this last little card thing. That's very cute. Let's see if under the light you can also see it. And on the back, dbrand.com/how. Don't F this up, follow the link. Okay, before I put my phone into the case, let's just take a look at the skin. So it's also put in a very nice plastic covering as usual. So the skin I've gotten is the teardown skin that they, well, in collaboration with Jerry Rigs Everything. So I just wanted something a little more special rather than the usual matte black or matte white that I usually use on my laptops or phones, things like that. Same thing inside this plastic, there's really nothing except this card. So purchase, we knew you would, deliver it, you're welcome. Install, there's only one correct way, dbrand.com/how, same thing. So let me just go check out the website and I'll be right back. Okay, it's been a quick minute, and the interesting thing is I didn't see how to install the skin onto the Dbrand grip, but I'm going to assume that it's super simple because there's only one piece and the back already has this texture on it. So you just have to line it up and stick it on, I guess. So let's just try. From experience, generally what I would do with Dbrand skins is you take it out first from the backing, and then you place it back down so that the top can be aligned with your phone without affecting the rest of the skin. Then you align it with the phone. So in this case, it's the Dbrand grip. So just to make sure, because there's actually an extra little groove on the back of the grip, so I don't think I'm supposed to stick it onto that. So I'm just going to aim for where it's raised. Because there's really not much space between the camera module cutout and the side, you really have to be very careful with this. So now that I've got it done, I'm just going to slowly remove the sticky back and just make sure that it falls straight down. So hopefully I don't have much problems with it, but just in case. Okay, I'm done. So the easiest way actually I found is not really line this part up, but you line up the opposite side from the camera module. So on my right, so should still be camera right here, and then you just follow it down all the way and just stick it down and it will just follow in line. So pretty easy, and the raised lip is still there, so you can definitely feel it and it will still help. So now to just put my phone in. So following exactly what Dbrand said, just let me clean up my phone all the way. I actually had the camera module protector, so I'm going to take it out first. Just make sure everything is nice and clean. And since they said there's only one way, so it's from here. Just slide it in and then push down on the top corners. and it's in. It doesn't really feel very heavy, it's still pretty light. Okay, so it's on nice and securely, and when you're swiping, you will definitely feel this lip here, but it is a good thing because the thing about phone covers with lips, I've realized that when it falls, they actually do help to protect, even though you may have a tempered glass or protective screen on it. That raised lip sometimes does help because sometimes rocks, these small rocks that just a little bit sharper than normal, they can actually just, well, crack your screen. But with the raised lip on it, it does help slightly. So I'm not complaining. Other than that, very nice texture. It still feels very nice in my hands, not too heavy and also not too thick, which I think is very important for a case, because otherwise if a phone cover is too thick, you do feel eh. I've been using the Dbrand grip for about a week since I did the unboxing and sticking on stickers, things like that, and to be honest, I do like it. It is thin enough that I can slip into my pocket without any problems. It is somewhat thicker than the thin or bare cases, but this does protect a lot better than those, and at the same time it is light enough that when I go for a run, it doesn't add any extra weight that is noticeable, well, to me at least. And the buttons for volume and the power button are really responsive. You get this tactile feedback, not just a rubbery feeling, along with the texture on the sides do help keep a grip on it, well, a lot better than the cheaper case, which was silicone that I was using last time. What I like about this the most, which is the skin that I got, the Teardown skin, it really makes people think that I took apart my phone and then put on a see-through bag on it. Well, from far at least. Up close, it's really obvious that it's just a sticker. The only thing I would probably have liked about this, just because I'm, well, lazy, maybe when buying this combo, Dbrand could just ship the skin already stuck onto the grip. I don't know, just a thought, since their robot hands would probably make it a lot easier. For durability and how resistant it is to scratches and day-to-day use, I'll come back to it after a few months, but so far it really has been very durable. I've dropped it like a few times. But yeah, I'll come back to this when I do a daily carry video or something. Anyways, that's been it for the video. Remember to like and subscribe for more tech and gaming videos. Hit the notification bell to get notified when new videos come up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!